Hi friends, this is Luca and I'm in Potsdam. This year is an interesting celebration because we celebrate 25 years of this wonderful event. And I just bumped on this gentleman at the Eclipse Foundation. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Boris Baldassari, working for the Eclipse Foundation, a long-time open source enthusiast, and really happy to be here.
Oh, I'm pretty excited because I remember when I was in the university, Eclipse was one of my editors that I was using for my Java project around Spring and this kind of technology. Well, what's the status of the foundation that is supporting this editor?
So the Eclipse Foundation is an open source foundation that hosts several hundred open source projects. Most notably the Eclipse IDE that everybody knows, but a bunch of projects from all domains like IoT, model engineering, operating systems, and so on, everything open source.
Wow, this is mind-blowing. And I just saw one thing that was quite unexpected. You showed me a small microcontroller for IoT devices. Can you tell me a little bit more?
Yeah, sure. This is a really game-changing project. This was donated to the community last year. It's the X Azure RTOS source code, and it's been given to the community through the Eclipse Foundation. And basically, it's the first open source, real-time embedded operating system that is safety certified. Entirely run by the community with everything that you need to have it run on medical devices, automotive, and so on. And that's a big thing indeed. Yeah.
Wow, that's incredible. I can imagine that having the operating system is just the building block where you can step up your application and create a new innovation.
So maybe you don't know Eclipse ThreadX, but Eclipse ThreadX knows you. You probably have one or two Eclipse ThreadX in your own phone for the USB plug, for the radio, software radio, stuff like that, in your fridge, in your hi-fi system, and so on. Say if you have a plug for your USB key, then you need some software in the other side. And so Eclipse ThreadX can do that.
Wow.
And it's free and open source. You can just get it for yourself.
That's incredible. And what's your personal contribution? What you are working on interesting right now?
So my job is not on this specific project. It's rather on community building, onboarding people, teaching them, explaining them how open source works, the community, because really open source is about the community more than code. And so, yeah, that's what I do.
Oh. That's amazing, and I think that there is no better place to talk about community in this wonderful venue. 8,000 people are expected today, and as you can see, it's getting crowded and crowded. So, just one last question. How do you see the AI in the Eclipse Foundation?
Of course, since we have hundreds of projects, some of them are related to AI. I can mention Eclipse Age, and so that's not really my domain, but there are something like a dozen of AI-related projects. But you would have to go to eclipse.org to see and learn more about these projects.
That's so cool. So, what's your best contact? For the people that would like to keep in contact with you and generally with the foundation.
So eclipse.org, that's to get all the information. My name is Boris Baldassari, so you can find me easily on the internet. And I'll be happy to answer any question you have.
Cool. Thank you for having us, and let's rock 2025. Bye, guys.